Hello everyone! For my first day in Ninh Binh, well, in Trang An National Park more exactly, I had one thing that I wanted to do for sure, the Trang An boat tour which goes through a flooded cave system. The place became even more popular after it became a filming location of the movie Kong Skull Island, but I can guarantee it is not the only interesting thing to do in the area, so be sure to stay until the end. Let the video begin. Enjoy! The bus was supposed to come get me at 9 today. It came at 8:30, so I couldn't eat breakfast. And now we're in a big boat, like the kind of boat where like the bus just is underneath us right now. Since I couldn't eat breakfast before leaving this morning, I bought some mangoes. It was really cheap. All of that for 20,000. Hello everyone, it's a rainy day in Ninh Binh. Well, not Ninh Binh. I'm at Tham Kok, which is right next to it. And it's a bit, rainy and foggy and all of that. I rented a scooter again. Ooh. Yeah, I rented a scooter again, and because it will be easier to just go around. And now I'm going to go to Trang An, which is actually when people say they go to Ninh Binh, they go to Trang An, because everything that you can do is over there. So yeah, that's where I'm going right now. Okay, I have my tickets to go on the boat, so it's 4 people per boat. I'm alone, so they just told me to go and they will add 3 other people to my boat. It was a really nice ride to come here. I really enjoyed it. It was like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So I just took like a tiny road. It's like tiny houses. It was really cute. Really, really cute. So the boat ride is 250,000, but it lasts 3 hours. So it's quite long. So it's a bit more expensive than everything I did till now, but it is long. It looks like it could fall over any moment. Oh my god, this is gonna be so awesome.
Okay.
So we don't wear the safety jacket us.
I guess not, no.
Okay, only other people.
Oh, some people do.
Oh, you kitty.
Oh, look at you. You're so precious.
Huh?
I got it mid-dive.
If you think 3 hours on a tiny boat is too long, I totally understand. That thought came to my mind too. But don't worry, there's several breaks along the way where you can get off the boat and stretch your legs while visiting temples. So all in all, I would say it's really worth it. Oh, that's the cave. That's the cave we're going to go in. Yeah. Oh, I love it. 1,000 meter. Oh my gosh.
Anxiety about bats.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, 320 meters. It's quite long too. Oh, I'm so excited. This is awesome. Wow. Oh.
Đứa nào thấp cúi đầu nhá. Hello, sit down nhá. Hello, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Oh, down. Did I get
Down.
Okay, we have to duck down because otherwise.
Năm.
Oh. That's better. Oh wow. Yay.
Quay lại đi, quay ngược đi.
Oh, this is amazing. This is really close to my head. Oh my gosh.
Get the camera ready.
Wow. This is so awesome.
Take the dumb picture.
Oh, there's actually stairs over there. This is quite steep.
Oh no. It is, isn't it?
Why do Asia love stairs this much? Every country in Asia.
England would have an elevator for sure.
Yeah, we climbed all of the stairs and there's nothing. There's not even a view.
You can't see, it's too foggy.
I mean, all of those stairs, it was like 2 minutes, but
No, true. I mean, like, 2 minutes.
anyway, I thought it was going to be a peaceful, calm boat ride. So like, no, let's go exercise a little bit.
Yeah, you've been sitting down, you're too lazy.
Yeah. So we just climbed a little bit. Can you hear the birds? Yeah, we just climbed a little bit upstairs and we reached the temple, and I think we have to go back up and back then down again to reach our boat. Not too sure. And this is the temple. It is a tiny but cute temple right at the foot of this big, big mountain. Yeah, I think we're almost done with the visit, and then we need to go back to the boat station thing. Okay, so we left the boats, the rowing boats and the river, and I ate with the friend I made on the boat, and now I came to the ancient city, Hoa Lu. It was a 7 minutes ride, so yeah, that's fine. Paid for my ticket, it's 20,000. I'm climbing a bit more stairs today. I mean, to be honest, I haven't done much exercise the last few days because I'm just riding my bike. So I'm still going up, but look at that. Look at the cuties. Hey, I think it's a mom with her baby. Hello. Hey, you show me your face again. Yeah, you're cute. Yeah, you are. Oh, that was a good jump. It's a foggy viewpoint, but still, it's a viewpoint. I feel like it's just some sort of tiny shrine snuggled up in the mountain. It's cute. Okay. Hello people. So let me tell you a bit more about Hoa Lu, so the place we're in right now. So it was the capital of the first feudal dynasty here in Vietnam, and it played its role as capital for 42 years. So from 968 to 1010. Yeah, under the reign of the Dean. So I guess the Dean was the person who was considered like the monarch, the king of the place. Hey. Yes. Yes, baby. Oh, you're tiny. I'm sorry, I don't have food for you. To be honest, I think there is way more stuff to see and do here, but I don't want to just walk around endlessly because the places are pretty far away from each other. So yeah, this is not my plan to just walk, and either way it's going to close down in 30 minutes, so I will never have the time to go to all those faraway places over there and come back. Yeah, so I'm just going to go back to my bike and then I'm going to drive to Mua Cave and hope that it's not too long to visit. So I do that and then I go back home because I have to like turn back the scooter, give it back before 7. See up here those things? This is where we're going. So these are the stairs going up, up, up. And we're going up there. I'm lucky this place closes at 7, so we have the time. I don't know how much time it takes to go up. I didn't check. But yeah, so I think I will have the time to go up and back down. No problem. You can see that it's a really touristic place because first there's like resorts place, there's like lots of restaurants. So yeah. I just started climbing and I can already tell this is going to be tough. I feel like I'm in Huashan again in China. We saw those stairs. Well, Huashan was like 4 hours of stairs and the light is stressing me out. It's just like blah, 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 blah. I don't like it one bit. These are the stairs. A change of stairs to go there. This is the Lion Dragon top. We reached the first peak. It was not that high. It was not as high as I was expecting. Not as difficult to look at those rocks. They're so sharp. This is crazy. We've almost reached the top. So there's this little pagoda right here, which is really similar to the one we've seen right here. And now, behind me, so there's more stairs that look a bit steep, and finally the top. This is what we want to reach. So yeah, I'll see like maybe 5 minutes more, maybe 10, I don't know. It looks really steep. I'm going to let some people go back down. Going back down is actually way more difficult because it's also a bit slippery. Like the rocks they put really, since I feel like a lot of people walked on it, now they're really smooth. And since it rained in the last few days, they're really slippery when you walk on it, which can be a bit dangerous, but yeah. Might be difficult to see, but this is the view from the top. The best thing, I guess, is that it's like the first pagoda thing we visited. It looks really pretty with all the lights on. And then this is a shrine, I guess, on top of the mountain. I think I'm the last one on top of the mountain, so I have to go down now. It was not really long to climb up and back down, especially that I made a lot of breaks. So yeah, and this is the end for today, I guess. I will see you again tomorrow. I will just keep going down. I have like maybe 10 minutes more and I'm there, and I will just go back to my hotel, find a nice meal to eat tonight and go to bed because I'm quite tired. See you. Cheers. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget, please, to subscribe and leave a comment. it would really help the channel. So yeah, it would be really nice if you could do that. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Cheers!